Here we come to the freight elevator at the NRG Convention Center in Houston, Texas. This is an updated take on this elevator right here. I'm not going to do the other one because, for one, it is exactly the same as this one, and second of all, there are people around it and it's not safe to be in that area. So I'm only doing this one for today. Let's right, here we go. Oh, we're gonna have good motor on this. I don't know what brand this elevator is. I think either Kone or MCE, but not Montgomery Kone, since this elevator was installed at a later time. Here's your fixtures. Alright, let's go down to GR. Your fixtures. Ooh, look at this. Fire service cabinet is open. Get a picture of the COP. Alright, we're gonna close this up so somebody else from another floor can use it. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.